Okay, so we're going to convert and find customary units of measure for capacity using a word problem. Mark made 14 pints of ice cream. He gave 1 quart to his neighbor and then made milkshakes with half of the remaining ice cream. How many quarts of ice cream did Mark use to make milkshakes? So take a moment first and analyze the customary units of capacity chart. First, find 1 pint. Go ahead and point to that. Now find 1 quart. How many pints are in 1 quart? We have to know this first before we can move forward. And the answer is there are 2 pints to every quart. That's great. Now that we know this, we can move forward. If 1 quart equals 2 pints, 1 pint equals 1/2 quarts. 14 pints is 14 1/2 quarts. Another way of saying that is 14 divided by 2. So if we have 14 pints, we divide that by 2, and that gives us the number of quarts that Mark had. Now, whenever you convert a smaller unit of measure to a greater unit of measure, there will be fewer units, which means you will have to divide rather than multiply. I know that can be confusing sometimes. So Mark started with 7 quarts of ice cream, but he gave 1 quart to his neighbor, so let's subtract that 1 quart. 7 minus 1 is 6. Mark had 6 quarts left, and he used half to make milkshakes. So what's half of 6? So we just want to divide 6 by 2, and you can see by the model we can circle or isolate those 3. 6 divided by 2 is 3. So in answer to the question, how many quarts of ice cream did Mark use to make milkshakes? He used 3 quarts of ice cream to make milkshakes.